President, may I now request you to please call the meeting to order.
I hereby call 96th installation meeting of the Rotary Club of Madras to order. I am so excited and the happiest mood I have come and I look forward to see the entire year how it went. The same way the upcoming year also should happen. That's what I pray God, and I start with my speech. Thank you, DG Nammasara. The guest of honor, PDG J. Sridhar, PDGs, past presidents, district officials, and fellow Rotarians who are here this evening for 96th installation meeting. It has been an incredible honor to serve as a 95th president of esteemed Rotary Club of Madras. It's not so easy, but mantle has been given and it's a final farewell speech level I have reached now. Reaching the end of this journey brings a whirlwind of emotions in three ways. How? A relief as a responsible joy as close as possible. A grateful joy of what we have accomplished the last 1 year. And woeful excitement for what lies ahead.
Opportune to reveal the theme and logo for the year. As the introduction shows, more than Rotary experience, I have Rotary memories. My first Rotary memory is that of a large thermocol key in the family living room with the Rotary symbol on it in 85-86. At that time, being a boy of 6, I was very curious and I asked the obvious question, which lock does this key open? I was given the answer that the RI theme for that year was "You Are the Key." And when I quizzed further to my father and mother, I was given to understand that it was meant that the Rotarian was the key. Fast forward close to 40 years, and we hit the RI President Stephanie Erchick's theme, which says the magic of Rotary. This refers to the behind-the-scenes work of the tireless Rotarians who make outcomes happen. The themes of Rotary International or our clubs may change, but the underlying message is the fact that you, the individual Rotarian, brings magic by being the key to some of the world's problems. Some details of our plans. Our Homes for Homeless project for the Irulars is a flagship project now, and we plan to expand the same across 2 to 3 locations. Our community services team have some Balwadi projects, a couple of lakes, and superb primary school, namely the Ramakrishna North Madras, to restore, apart from our ongoing projects at Boys Town. In fact, we have the launch tomorrow. Our health team is working on a comprehensive cancer program which involves awareness, screening and vaccination. The launch is on the 6th, Saturday. It's ambitious and looks to cover a lot of ground. On the elderly, we shall focus on improving the safety features of the VHS. We will continue with our equipment donations and our work on public conveniences. Our partnerships with Child Trust, Cancer Institute, VHS and the Hindu Mission are set to grow as we connect the dots. Our vocational services team has the wisdom of a sage and the enthusiasm of a child. They are looking to engage in areas of women empowerment and digital learning with Vidya Viday and Anu, apart from eagerly innovating in ongoing projects. This in fact was a district connect. Thanks Rotary and Kamala. Our international team is very effective in the areas of planning events for world peace and planning global projects, especially involving Africa. Our youth services team is looking to intertwine with all the avenues of services and provide opportunities for school-going interact and college-based interact clubs to participate in larger projects. Looking back at all these projects, despite not having started with a focus area, it looks like the derived focus area is education, health and poverty alleviation. All of this would be difficult without the support of the able CSR and fundraising teams which have already ratcheted up ideas to help fulfill some of these plans. Committees, teams working together will be the backbone of the year while we have a lot of fun doing it. The past presidents have promised to provide all necessary support and they have been a pillar of this club and we salute them. And we shall frequently seek their wisdom on most matters.